Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you CapCut for desktop. Now, you've probably heard of CapCut for mobile, but you can get it on desktop as well. And stick around to the end of this video and I'm going to tell you one of my favorite features that is incredible for such a powerful and free software. So let's have a look. Okay, so you want to go to CapCut's website and you will find right away that there's this sign up for free software. What you want to do is you want to click download for Windows and install it on your device. Alright, so once you've installed CapCut on your desktop, you'll be presented with this screen. You can create a profile and sign in. That'll save all your projects so you can go from phone to your desktop. But what we're going to do is we're going to go start creating, and it's going to open up the program here, and it's as you would expect with the typical video editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a old project into the timeline here. This is an old video of mine, and as you can see, the timeline's pretty smooth, especially for a free editing software. You've got things like split clip, so you've got the clips in two parts now, and I can delete that. You've got all your basic needs for an editor right here, and it's free. It's amazing. So if you're doing church videos, if you're doing business videos or vlogs or just for fun, creativity, CapCut for the software and it being free is an incredible resource that I highly encourage you to get into it. We're going to break down this software a lot more in a lot of videos, but thank you for sticking around. I'm going to tell you my favorite feature. My favorite feature has to be the free auto captioning. The ability to be able to caption your videos for stories, for reels, for any short form content at a click of a button, and it only takes probably 30 seconds max for maybe a 3-4 minute video. It is incredible. So stick around on the YouTube channel, drop us a subscription, because we're going to go through this software. We're going to break it down and show you how you can use this free software to your advantage. I'm going to drop a link in the description to where you can download this. If you want this software, I highly encourage you to get this. Thanks for watching and all the best.